Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we learned how the while loop works. And this video, we are going to learn how to make a calculator in Python by using define function, if functions and while true loop. So let's get started. So first, you have to create a file name, any name you want. As I have created calc.py, and the function that I want is first I will use define function. So I will use def add num1 comma num2, and yes, it is important to give the comma here because it is a couple and there are two numbers are there, num1 and num2. So first, what will this function do? Now we have to write it. It will print addition equals to num1 num1 plus num2. So it will add num1 and num2. Now again def, this will subtract num1 comma num2. The things are same but some things are different, like we have to change addition to subtraction equals to. It is not important that I wrote here addition equals to. It is for the string, like it is a string. It will show us here addition the number of this addition equals to this. So it is not important. If you don't want to write it, you can remove it from your function. So I will copy this whole function, but I have to write here print subtraction equals to comma num1 minus num2. So now I will just paste all the thing for 2 times. So this function will not add, this function will multiply and it will not add, it will multiply star here. This function will also not, this will divide, so I have to write here divide these lines will define the calculator working. I'm writing here a statement. If someone wants to see what these functions are doing, they are writing they are defining about the calculator working, what the calculator will do, how the calculator will add, subtract, multiply, divide. Now here we comes to the while true statement. Now we want to take input from the user, right? So that's how the calculator works. Now we will use while true loop here. While true this, if this while true state stands for if this statement is true, then do this, then this will run like this. So first I am printing print this 1 2 3. Now I'm writing first dot addition, second dot subtraction, third dot multiplication, and fourth is for division. division. So now I want to take the input from the user. So I will make a variable name choice. Let's make a variable name choice. So I'm making a variable name choice equals to wait, what happened? Okay, it is showing us that it is already a function, built-in function for Python, so we can't take it. Let's choose select. Oh, this is also user. Let's choose user. What happened? Choice equals to, now this is the variable. Choice equals to, we want to take the input in integer, not in string, so we will write here int this input, then again brackets. So now we want the user to enter their choice from 1 to 5. Oh sorry, I didn't wrote 5 dot exit. This will exit because it is, while we are using while true loop, if the user don't want to exit, then if there is no function for exit, then the program will run again and again and again and again, so you can't exit from that program. So let's ask user enter your choice from where, from this 1 to 5. Enter. Now we want the now we want if user, now we will use if statements. If user is choosing 1, then do this. If user is choosing 2, then do this. So let's make if statements. If choice equals to, sorry, not 1, if this is the choice of the user, then print, not print, sorry, then num1 equals to int input this enter your first number. This will be the first question when the user is doing, after the user choose their input, what they want to do, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication or exit. After that the program will ask them enter your first number. Num2 equals to same thing, int input now enter your second number, like this. Now we will define what will this do, choice 1, as we have defined here, but we are doing it like what will this function do. I don't know why they, okay, now we will see what will this function do. Enter addition, as we have defined here, the addition. If we call add, then this will do at num1 plus num2. So I don't have to write again and again. I am writing add and add equals to num1 not equals to num2. Yeah, now if we run it, then it's working fine from till here. 1, enter first number, 23. As you can see, it is showing us 46. It's the correct answer. This means our program is working. And as you can see here, it started again. So when we put 5, it will not stop because we didn't wrote a if statement for the fifth one. So I am doing it Control C, clear. Yes, like this. I'm putting it in a one way so that now if we print this T, now I am clearing it. Let's do it. Yes, it is here. We can do it like this. Now if we run it, then it we didn't define the exit function yet, so this is doing it like this. Yeah, they are in the same order. I'm trying to do it in the same order. Now let's clear this. Now let's make another if choice, not if, elif choice, because we use if choice equals to 1, then do this. Else if the choice is not 1, if the choice is 2, then do this thing. So let's write elif choice equals to 2. Let me copy this. We can copy this whole this. It will not add, it will subtract. We have defined up here subtract, so it will subtract. Now again we will make elif else if the choice is not the 2 or 1, then if the choice is 3, then it will multiply. So let's write a code. Here I have wrote multiply. Multiply D. It is in M is capital. Multiply. Now if the choice is not from 1 and the choice is not 2, not 3, if the choice is 4, then it will divide. Let's see how it will divide. Yes, now it's working fine. And now if the choice is not from 1, if the user don't want to do it and if the user want to exist, we will exist now. Exit, and we are writing here elif choice equals to 5. Then what will this function do? This function will break the while true statement, break the while loop. Now if the choice is from not from 1 to 5, let's say if the choice is 6 or the choice is 7, so it will show us wrong choice, or please try again, this is the wrong choice. I will write this else this print this it is a wrong choice, please try again. That's it. Now it's time to run the program. Let's choose first one. We want to add this. Let us say a number 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. It's 246. The answer is correct. As you can see here, the choice, if I am the, it is giving us the answer 246 and it is starting again. So what we can do, we can't do anything because the while true loop is going on till if the choice is 5. If the user choose 5, then it will stop. Let's choose 2. 12 minus 2, it's 10. Yes, it is showing us correct. So the second that we have wrote here, second elif choice, it is now working, and the define function is also working. Now let's choose 3. Let's try the multiplication define function is working or not. So let's say a number 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. Yes, it is working. Now it's time to see if the divide function is working. So let's say again 12 divided by 2. The answer is 6. It is correct. Now we will exit. Let's see if this we have wrote here break command, it will work or not. And it is working. It is not working now. We exited the program. Now let me clear this. Yeah. So now if I don't want this thing, we can remove this. The break. Oh, yeah. If I don't want this, let's see if it will work. No, I don't want 4. 23 divided by 2. Yes, it is working. As you can see, it just exited the program after doing the whole thing. Let's make some changes. 4. And I don't like this exit command. Why should we give exit when the program can exit on its own? Let's give some space in here. Space. Oh shit. Space. Yes. So our program is working, it is fully functional, and you can see we have wrote here. And if you like this video, please press like button, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is absolutely free, and if you want to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe anytime. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.